Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Sign into the account tied to the gift card so you control the session. Once logged in, compare the account name, email, and phone to the purchase info. Mismatches trigger need more info. Make sure you have the card code, receipt, and a clear photo of the card handy. These speed verification. Do this now, because without matching identifiers, the system flags the redemption and stops the process. Next, proceed to document submission. Go to the gift card redeem page and choose the support or verify identity option when more info appears. Upload the receipt and a clear photo of the card, and type the code exactly as printed. Capitalization and dashes matter. Also provide purchase details like date, retailer, and last 4 digits of the payment method. This gives the system the cross checks it needs. Once submitted, an automated review. Finally, confirm completion and be ready to escalate. Monitor your email and account messages for verification prompts, because the reviewer may ask for one small extra file. If the redemption is denied, contact live chat or phone support immediately and provide your case ID, screenshots, timestamps, and the same documents you uploaded. Make sure to explain why the info matches. Concise facts work best, and request escalation if the first agent cannot resolve it. Troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.